So this is how to write inequalities and check solutions. When you talk about inequalities, we are talking about less than symbols, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So this chart is kind of just key phrases that talk about how to write an inequality. So for example, for less than, it could say is less than, is fewer than. For greater than, it would be is greater than, is more than. This one would be less than or equal to. So less than or equal to is at most or is no more than. This one is greater than or equal to. So is greater than or equal to is at least that value or is no less than. So when we're looking at writing inequalities, we want to look at how to look at a number sentence and see how to write that. So it says a number p is no greater than -6. So no greater than is actually going to be a less than or equal to symbol. So we'd put the number p is no greater than a -6. So that would be how you would write that number sentence. This next one says twice the number k is at least 7/10. So at least, if we look at that and we can use our chart to help us, it's going to be a greater than or equal symbol. So we have twice the number k is greater than or equal to 7/10. Now this one says tell whether -4 is a solution of each inequality. So in this case, anytime there is a solution or they're asking you to find the solution, you have to take that value and substitute it in for x or the variable that is given. Sometimes you'll see it where it's a ordered pair, so it would be x comma y, and you would just have to plug that pair in to that inequality statement. So in this case, we have x plus 8, so we want to see if -4 is a solution. So we're going to put -4 in for x. So we have -4 plus 8 is less than -3. What we would want to do then is add -4 plus 8, which is going to give me 4 is less than -3. Because 4 is not less than -3, it's going to be no solution. So -4 is not a solution to this inequality. Now this next one, we're going to do the same thing. So we have -4.5x is greater than -21. So we're going to take -4.5, multiply it by -4 because we're trying to see if that's a solution. And we write greater than -21. Well, -4.5 times a -4 is going to give us a positive 18. It's greater than -21. 18 is greater than -21. So 4, this -4 would be actually a solution to this inequality. So you could say it's true, it is a solution, whatever you want to write for that one, that would be the case.